Here's a 2019 Subaru WRX. Get sports car handling, a roomy interior, and safety galore in a car that's as exciting as it is practically impressive. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: intercooled turbo H4 engine, sport suspension, manual transmission, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth streaming audio, Bluetooth, leather steering wheel, MirrorLink standalone navigation app, manual tilting steering column, 2 USB ports, and Apple CarPlay Android Auto allows you to use apps from your phone through your vehicle's infotainment system. Automobile reports, once you lay into the throttle and hear the turbocharger's jet-like whistle, engaging the boost becomes an itch you just love to scratch. Durable, reliable, Subaru. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.